When you're making Google Forms, you're using your Google ID, meaning you can directly access photos from your Google Photos library and insert them into your Google Forms as well. So to do that, you can go around onto the image button right here. So once you do that, you can see that photos is an option. So once you go around into photos, you will have access to all of the photos that you have uploaded inside of your Google Photos. So you can go around and choose out the photo that you want to insert. Simply choose one out and click on insert. And what happens is that the image will be loaded out onto Google Forms right here, as you can see. So you can also do the same for individual, let's say, for example, onto the images for choices right here. So let me add in one choice for yes right here, and let me add in another choice for no. So let me go to photos right here, and let me go around onto another photo. Let me select it, click on insert, and that will be added onto the no choice right here. So if I were to preview, you will be able to see that the form now is very visual. And that is how you can add in images which is stored on your Google Photos inside of Google Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.